Now, before we dive into maps, which is another interesting kind of data structure, there is one special syntax which I want to show you, which is especially interesting when you work with arrays and slices. Specifically also when you work with append. Append actually does not just take one value that is appended, instead you can append as many values as you want. So here we could also add a couple of other values here, as many as we want. There is no limit at all. So it's really up to you. Now that's good to know, but the key syntax that I want to show you is indirectly related to that. Sometimes you have an existing slice and you want to append another slice or array to it. Let's say here we have our discount prices, and that's a brand new list which I create here, a brand new slice, let's say, which I'll copy from up there, which contains totally different prices. Something like that. Now we might want to merge discount prices into this prices slice. Of course, here it's just an example, but it is highly realistic that you will have some applications that need to merge different lists. For example, existing users with a list of brand new users that signed up during the day. And you can use the append function to perform such merges as well. Now, for that we can reassign prices and call append again. And now you could think that you just append discount prices like that. But if you try that, you get an error. And the reason for that is that you now try to add a slice, so a list of floats, in a place where a single float is allowed. Because prices is a list of floats, not a list of lists of floats. And discount prices is a list of floats. So adding the full list as one item into that existing list is not valid. Instead, we have to kind of pull out the existing items. And there is a special operator in Go which you can use for that. You can add 3 dots here after discount prices, exactly 3 dots, to instruct Go to go to this list and take out all the elements in that list, so these 3 prices, and add them as separated, comma separated elements to this append function, so to say. So that is an important syntax that allows you to pull out all the elements of a list and use them as separate elements in a place where separate elements are needed, like here for append. We can add as many values as we want, but they need to be separate elements. And that's what we create here with this operator. And therefore now if we print our updated prices thereafter, after using this special operator, if we run our code file here, you see it's a long list of prices and it includes these prices here at the end.